Hi, and welcome back to Tech Thursday. My name is Bridget Reeves, and I know it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I wanted to let you know some of the changes that we've recently had to some of our library online resources, specifically RBDigital and Overdrive. So as some of you may be aware, especially those of you who use RBDigital, Overdrive has acquired the RBDigital platform. So if you used the RBDigital app before to read your books or to listen to audiobooks, unfortunately those books are no longer available in the RBDigital app. They are still available in the Overdrive or Libby app. So if you used Libby before, now you can get even more from it because you'll have all of the books that came over from RBDigital. And if you haven't used Libby before, try it out. So that is a change that we've made. One of the downsides to this is that if you had something on hold with RBDigital before, you put it on reserve with the RBDigital app, none of those reserves were carried over to Overdrive. So if you did have something on hold with RBDigital, you'll need to go to the Libby app or Simply E, which is another app that we use that can access that collection. But you'll need to go to one of those apps and put those books on hold again. So we apologize for that inconvenience, but I think you'll like the Libby app. That is not to say that there's nothing that you can get from RBDigital still. If you're using the RBDigital app, you'll notice a lot of things are missing, but there's still some stuff there. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Now, to get to RBDigital, you can start from our website, rhcl.org. You'll find it under Technology. It is no longer under Digital Library and Downloads, but you will still find it under Online Learning and Research. So if I follow that link, I can do the A to Z search for RBDigital, or I'll find it here under Streaming Video. And a lot of these are resources that you can get from RBDigital. But here is RBDigital itself. So you can click on that link to get there. If you prefer to start from our catalog page, you will also still find RBDigital here in the list under electronic resources. So you can follow either one of those links from our homepage or from our catalog page, and it will get you to RBDigital. One thing I will warn you about, especially if you've never used RBDigital before, start from one of our web pages, either the homepage or the catalog page. If you just type in rbdigital.com or you do a Google search for rbdigital.com, it will take you to this page. It says recorded books, it says RBDigital, that should be right? But wait, there's all of these books here, and I just said that you can't get books from RBDigital anymore. Well, that's a strange thing. If I try to go and register, because I've never used RBDigital before, now it's asking for library information and access code, and I have to choose my library? Oh, they all look very strange. Yeah, this is not information that you're going to have. So it is better off just start from our webpage. This is what you'll see when you follow one of those links, and you'll notice no books. But you will also notice that it has our logo. And if I try to go and register to get a new account, it's not asking for any of my library information because it already has it. So if you haven't used it before, you do need to register. You'll choose your own username. It can be whatever you want as long as nobody else is using it, and a password, which you'll type in twice. You'll need to give them your name, first name and last name, and your email address, again twice, and your postal code or zip code. And don't forget to check the little I accept the terms of service, and do read over the terms of service and privacy policy before you do that. There's a register button. When you hit the register button, that's it. Whatever username and password you put in, that is what you will use from then on. So after that, you can just go to the sign in, type in your username and password, and hit the sign in button. and this is what you'll see. So welcome, Bridget. We still have the same things showing, and get started with Libby. For the books, there's entertainment. So if you are interested in British TV and films, or maybe you like indie flicks, or you just want to take in a concert, there's great courses too, which you'll notice are both entertaining and educational. You can also learn music here under education, or get ready for the SAT or ACT if it's coming up. And there's also a health and wellness. Down at the bottom, you can still check out magazines from RBDigital. We are planning to eventually move all of our magazines over to Libby as well. But for now, if I want to check out Thanksgiving Joy, I can come here. If I want to get the newest issue, the November 23rd, I can just hit the checkout button. If I want one of the older issues, I can find those here under all issues and choose a different one to check out. And when I hit checkout, it will check it out to me. And it takes a second. And then you can either keep browsing or you can read your magazine now. You can choose to automatically check out the next one if this is something you read a lot of. You can also, there's a big green read button here or a return button if you're done with it. So if I want to go ahead and read that now, I can click on that read button and it'll take me to the RBDigital Reader where I can click on the little arrow to go through page by page. So let's close that. Other things that you can check out were the streaming services. So let's say today I'm in the mood for British television. I'm going to check out Acorn. Now, one thing about Acorn, when you go here, there's no just, I'm going to check out Acorn. It gives you the list of some of the different shows, most popular things only on Acorn that you can find there, just to make sure that this is something that you're actually interested in. And if you do find one that you like, oh, hey, Agatha Raisin, I want to watch that. And you click on it, and it'll tell you a little bit about that show, and you can hit the checkout button. But you're not just checking out Agatha Raisin. You now have an unlimited access to all of Acorn TV for 7 days. So no matter which show you choose, when you decide to check it out, that's what you'll get. And then it'll try to take you straight over to Acorn TV. Now, in my case, I've already got an Acorn TV account associated with my RBDigital account. If you do not, you might see something like this. So it'll have whatever email address, and this is a fake email, but it works. It'll have your email address that you used, and that's going to be your username, and then you can create a password. And once you've done that, you now have an Acorn TV account. You still can't watch Acorn TV without either paying a subscription or checking it out through RBDigital, but you do have it. So the next time you want to watch something on Acorn TV, you'll get this screen and you can just say, access Acorn TV. Acorn TV is also available as an app for like Roku, for your phone, your smartphone. So you can log in with whatever username and password you chose, your email address and your password. And then if you've checked it out through RBDigital, it knows that, and you can still watch it on your TV or your phone. And here I am on Acorn TV. So it'll show me all of the different shows that I can watch. And for 7 days, I can do whatever I want. There are other shows or other streaming services. So if I believe I have those checked out. If I look over here, I can go straight to the different entertainment shows. I can go to the different education, health and wellness. I can see what I have checked out. So at present, I've checked out a lot of things. So hey, look, education. I want to go look at great courses. Anything that you have checked out will have this green access button, and you'll notice ArtistWorks gives you an unlimited license. So you'll just click on that green access button, and it will take you to whatever resource. In this case, the great courses. And then you can find whatever you want to show you want to watch. And there you go. Over here on RB Digital, you can also see your account. So you can put things on a wish list. Holds aren't really, since we don't have books anymore, those are not going to be as robust as they used to be. Let's see what it brings us when we try to go look at our holds list. Nothing. So, not surprising. You can look at your history, things that are recommended. You can see your profiles. So if you want to change any of your username or change your name in there, you can do that. You can also go and look at your settings. So right now, since there's no books, that's just going to tell you about automatically checking out magazines. So that's all of the things that you can do now with RB Digital. If you're interested, I hope you'll check those out. Here's a little table that I've put together. Some of the RB Digital apps are available for Google Play, Apple Store, Amazon Fire, or the Roku. A lot of them you just have to go from the website. So if you get the RB Digital app on your phone, it'll just take you over to the internet, to a web browser. But you can still watch them that way. So I hope that this has helped, and have a great day.